I mean, look how big it is. Whoa. It's so well maintained.
Yeah, but actually, its noise reminds me of every film I watched when I was young.
Yeah. So Simon.
Nice, that's his full bottle. See, there's little Shakespeare's heads here. Look. You can see it? Little Shakespeare's heads.
Yeah, you're right. Nice. Nice. I mean, look, this is so well maintained.
Da, das ist gut, ja.
This one was definitely a Christian, yeah. Here, this one not. So if you don't see a cross, this wasn't, yeah. I mean, look at this one. Can you see how different is this one from this one?
Yeah. It's different style. It's different styles.
You see, instead of having a cross, you have a flower.
Yeah.
This was definitely pagan. Yeah. This is what paganism actually means.
I wouldn't say it's pagan. It's probably just fashion. So this is the first Celtic cross I've seen with flowers.